Welcome to the video. And in this simple video we will talk about how to set up the CUDA and Microsoft Visual Studio C++ environment, and this to do a Hello World program. So first, we just go to Google and you put in Microsoft Visual Studio, you search, and you come here, click the first one from Microsoft to Microsoft. Then you just download Visual Studio, and after you download it, you can see I already downloaded. You will get a Visual Studio setup. This is the second step, and to download the CUDA toolkit. So similar to the Microsoft Visual Studio, you go to the Google, search NVIDIA CUDA toolkit, and the NVIDIA website will be the first one. Just click it, and then you come here, click the download now. And you need to choose Linux or Windows, and I'm using Windows 11, so I just click Windows. There will be x86, 84, 64 bits, and I just click this one, and you choose different version. As I said, I'm Windows 11, just click 11, and install the tab, local network. I only have my own computer, so I just click local, so it will just start the download. It's about this big, so you click this button, it will start to download, and after download, after this one you will get this CUDA 12.2.6 toolkit. After you download the Visual Studio setup, and you get this file, and also after you download the CUDA toolkit, there will be a CUDA 12.6 for Windows 64-bit installer, and then you can start your installation. And it's already installed. I'm not gonna reinstall it again, but there's some lesson learned for me. So you have to install the Visual Studio first, and then install the CUDA. So if you already have some NVIDIA stuff already on your computer from CUDA toolkit, I suggest you to uninstall them and then reinstall, because I got a lesson learned. I install the CUDA first, because after download the one, this one says at the first, so I just click it and install it. In the middle, he complained he couldn't find the Visual Studio. Even I installed the Visual Studio at that time, and after reinstall everything, when I start my Visual Studio, I cannot find the CUDA template there. So that basically means you create a big gap for yourself to create a Hello World CUDA C++ programming. So just remember, do the Visual Studio setup first, and then do the CUDA. Then you will, once you open the Visual Studio, you will see a CUDA template there. That will be easier for you to start your Hello World programming. After you install the Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 and the CUDA toolkit, you start the Visual Studio 2022, and you can see there's a few button for you to get started. You just choose create a new project. Just click this button, and once you click it, and if you're lucky and follow all the good orders, which is install the Visual Studio first, then install the toolkit, you will see a CUDA 12.6 runtime template here already. So you just click next, and it will start to create a project. So here we just name it CUDA Hello World. So all the other stuff just using default to create continue. After you create the CUDA project, and you actually don't need to type in anything. And the CUDA toolkit template already create a simple program to do the vector addition for you already. You can see it's a pretty long code, and start with include different header files, and this is a kernel function. Just simply add two vectors together and return results. and this is a GPU function and a CPU function. Define a simple vector, and then this will be the function called the kernel. And they have a lot of things here to allocate the check status, and allocate the memory, and do all this stuff. And then they do the kernel function call here, and then this will be printf results. So I didn't do anything. I just this all I did is this CUDA hello world. Then there'll be come here, click the run button, and voila, it will run. And you can see CUDA hello world, and they return the vector summation, which is calculated by the GPU. I think I have a very old one. I have RTX 3060. That's probably I have. And anyway, but for this should be good enough. Thanks a lot for watching the video. This is pretty much go through the simple environment setup for the CUDA Microsoft Visual Studio C++ programming environment. I spent a few hours on this, and because I did something wrong. But anyway, I just record this video to hopefully can be helpful for you to start a Hello World program. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.